Hi, Pencil. What are you doing?
Oh, nothing. Just looking at clouds.
Plus, I want to make my own object show. Or our object show.
Well, you have come to the right place. Wait, who said that?
Oh my tater! Who the are you?
My name is Stickman.
Fantastic!
Okay, everyone. I'm the new host now. Plus, prepare your teams for the first challenge now. Since I already made my own team, I'm team leader now. We would like to join. Wait, does that mean I have to team up with the bastard? All right, teammates, time's up. Now show me your team names now. Team Smart. How about Team Bastards? Ugh, my ears! Your challenge is to destroy that annoying sound. Whoever destroys it first will be safe. The last team that didn't will be up for elimination. Go!
Let a fool free smarter do.
Take this, you ugly son of a bitch. Looks like Team Free Smart wins. And then Team Bastards is up for elimination. Comment and vote using the letter and square brackets under who should be eliminated. Whoever gets the most votes will leave the show. See you in OMC 2.